In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage blog tags in Hubspot. Tags help organize your content, improve on-site search and navigation, and give your readers a clear path to related posts. Let's walk through the exact flow you'll use inside Hubspot to create a tag and apply it to a blog post. First, head to Hubspot and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation bar and open the content section. From there, choose blog to access your blog tools. If you already have a draft open, you can use that. If not, start a new post from scratch so you can see where tags live in the editor. Inside the post editor, switch to the settings area. This is where you control key metadata for your post. Find the section labeled author and tags. Tags are associated with the post here, and this is the best place to manage them while you write. Click the field that says select one or more tags. If you already have tags in your portal, you'll see a list. To create a brand new tag, choose add a tag. Type the tag name exactly as you want it to appear on your site. Keep it short, specific, and consistent with any naming you already use. For example, pick email marketing rather than something vague like emails. When you're happy with the name, click Create to add it to your tag library. Now that the tag exists, open the tag selector again by clicking Select one or more tags. Use the search bar to quickly find the tag you just created. Start typing its name, and when it appears, click it to apply it to the post. You can repeat this to add other relevant tags, but be selective. 2 to 5 focus tags usually work better than a long list. A few quick best practices to keep things tidy. Before creating a new tag, search to make sure a similar one doesn't already exist. Duplicate or overlapping tags split your content and make reporting less useful. Use consistent capitalization and phrasing across your tags, and stick to clear, reader-friendly words. Think about how your audience groups topics and build tags around those themes. That's it. You logged in, navigated to content and blog, opened or created a post, went to settings, created a new tag, and then searched for and applied it. Follow this process each time you publish, and your HubSpot blog will stay organized and easier to navigate for readers and your team alike.